G'day guys, well if you've got one of these new model Dmax BT-50 utes, you're probably going to want to watch this one because we're going to take this stock standard BT-50 and transform it into this. So stay tuned, we're going to give you a detailed rundown on exactly the parts we use to build these bad boys up. They're a pretty capable car off the showroom floor, but with a few added extras we can make it into a really capable car. So stay tuned and we'll take you through exactly what we get up to. Cars are up on the hoist, we're getting ready to rip into it, so Darcy's going to start pulling this one apart, but I'll run you through the gear that's going on it. It's getting a full Radflo 2.0 3-inch kit. It's also getting some Ironman UCAs, a Munji Diff drop, a Snorkel, some black Rhino guides in an 810. It's getting some 285 Maxxis ATs and a set of angle sliders. So we'll start ripping in this one and then we'll show you where we get to. So stage one is complete. We've thrown the full 3-inch suspension package in there. In the front, we've got the adjustable coilovers as well as the fixed arm UCAs and the diff drop. Being at 3-inch, these are a must. You have to do UCAs and a diff drop if you want to run them at 3-inch. The UCAs being that you just want to have that extra adjustment for the wheel alignment so that you allow for the caster and camber to be where it should be at 3-inch. It's also to help clear those tyres. We're putting a neg 10 rim on this with a 285. So you want to push that caster as far forward as possible so you get the max clearance at the back. We're going to do a guard chop on this as well. But yeah, the UCAs really help with the tyre clearance as well as the adjustment for the wheel alignment. We also put the diff drop in as well, so that just corrects the CV angles so that everything's happy and you're not putting extra strain on the driveline. In the rear, we've done the 2-inch lift. That's just going to level the car out, so it's not going to have that rake at the front. It's going to sit nice and level and ride really nicely, as well as the rear shocks. So yeah, stage one done. Snorkel sliders next, and we'll throw the wheels and tyres on. So there you have it guys, the BT-50 is complete. It's just come back from a wheel alignment and a test drive and everything's looking sweet. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little bit of more in-depth rundown on exactly what goes into our builds. I'll see you in the next one.